Alright, welcome back to all my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is G. What I'm showing you guys with this channel is just showing you guys my journey from $0 in profit in Forex. I'm going all the way to 100K. My goal is to at least get that by 2021. But we'll see how long it takes. But let's get straight to my S&P 500 trading and show you guys the update of what's going on. So as right now, you guys saw my last video on this. I was up $900, but now I'm up $2,000, and like I told you guys, it's a long-term strategy. So I literally trade 5 minutes a day. I don't even trade 5 minutes a day. I just look at it at 3:03 p.m. Pacific time when the candle closes. I just look at where it closes, and then I decide if I want to stay in or not. So for me, as of right now, what I want to do is just basically what I'm gonna do is put. This is the mental stop loss. I'm gonna put it here. So every day at 3:03 p.m. when the candle closes, I'm gonna look if it closes under this strong candle, which is the top heavy candle here, the green candle here. So if it closes under, I'm thinking of just closing it and waiting for it to climb back up. Then I'll enter it again. But I'm seeing it going. I mean, I drew this channel here for it to go up there, but I feel like if I wait for it to go up there, I'm going to lose some profit. So I'm going to let it pull back and enter it when it comes back up. But as right now, I was up at most was a 2,100 about yesterday when it was at the peak right here. Yeah, I was about 2,200 up. Yeah, about 2,200 up right here. But I'm just gonna let the trade keep running. Maybe when it closes under here, I'm thinking. I mean, hopefully it doesn't close under here soon. But like I said, every day at 3:03 p.m. Pacific time when the candle closes, I just set an alarm on my phone, and I look if it closes below this. I'm thinking of exiting, but I'm not for sure yet. I gotta do some more analysis, but I mean, with the S&P 500, this is the highest point it's ever been. There's not like a resistance on top at all because it's just S&P 500. It keeps just going up. That's the end of it. Yeah, it only goes to 2013. But I'm gonna go back and look at TradingView because TradingView, I don't trade on TradingView, at least you can go and have more data. But this is the end. Well, this is the highest S&P's ever been, and it's just gonna keep going up. As you can see, it goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, but at the end of the day, it always goes back up. So there's not really a resistance above. It's just that you want to trade the channels and you want to see if you try to maximize your profits. Because if I just leave it in, it's just basically just like trading the S&P 500, but I want to day trade it and make some money as it moves. So as right now, my profit is 2,038. Well, technically 19,988, but I just look at this. So up about $2,000. I just want to show you guys a quick update on my S&P 500, and yeah, this is my first trade ever with S&P 500. At least with this strategy. I've traded S&P 500 before, just doing day trades, like for example, like hour, 2-hour trades. But as of this strategy, I've been loving it. As you guys know, I'm pretty much break even with my live account again, and this one is my S&P strategy. I'm thinking of just combining all my profits together and seeing just combining all together and trying to get to 100K with all the strategies that I'm doing. But as of right now, basically in trading alone, this is not a close trade yet, so I'm not going to call it as profit. But if it closes, the most I can lose probably is like $500, so $1,500 in profit. But yeah, this strategy is very stress-free for me, and I'm liking it. If at the end of this year, or maybe after this trade close, I might be putting in more money, risking more, so I can make more instead of just 2,000 in a month. This one I opened at March 19th. Today is April 14th, so almost been a month. But I mean, I'm up $2,000, and it's very stress-free. So I've been loving the strategy. But thank you guys all for watching. Like I said, if you guys are new, subscribe. If you guys are not new and not subscribed, please hit the subscribe and that like so I can reach more people, okay? Thank you guys all for watching. I'll see you guys next time.